Good evening, everybody. It's Friday night fish fry, and I'm on the stove getting ready to get it going. What you see right here is potatoes and onions I'm cooking. I'm going to make a tortilla to go with those nice fish, and I'm going to do a coleslaw, and that's going to do it. I got my little helper here tonight. Yes, baby.
I want to watch Mickey Mouse.
Okay, you're going to watch. He's ready to watch his favorite cartoon show, so I'm going to have to get him started with his cartoon show. But for right now, baby, give me a minute. Grandma needs to get these potatoes going and these onions going. It's going to take about a good 30 minutes to fry up these potatoes and onions. Just cook them until they get nice and soft. And then I'll put some about 6 eggs in them. And we're going to have us a nice big old tortilla. Now this is a tortilla that I learned to make when I was living in Spain. So this, as far as I'm concerned, is a Spanish tortilla because my Spanish friends in Spain, in Madrid to be exact, taught me how to make this tortilla. So it consists of, you cook it in olive oil. I've got some nice olive oil in my pan. I diced those potatoes, diced up some onions, and of course, you know, I use complete seasoning. They didn't, but I am. I'm sure they just use salt and pepper from what I can remember. But I'm going to put a little bit of complete seasoning in there just to spice it up a little bit. And we're just going to cook them until they get nice and soft, which takes approximately 20 minutes. And then we're going to make a nice big old tortilla that we're going to cut up and serve with our fish. What happened? Take it off your head. He's doing the most tonight, honey. The most. You're not children, he wants my attention is what it is. Because it's just he and I in the house by ourselves until the rest of them get here. So he wants Gigi's attention. So we're going to let these potatoes continue to cook here for about 30 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you how we put them together to make that tortilla. Hope y'all are having a fresh fish fry Friday night like we are. So hold on and we'll be right back. Please. Okay, y'all, I'm back. This is the fish I'm going to be cooking. Look at the size of these catfish fillets. Look at how big they are. Nice big catfish fillets. So I'm going to fry up a batch of those. And over on this side is some tilapia. So we're going to be frying catfish and tilapia. Okay, well, see, there it is right there. See that cat say catfish.
Hello.
Yo, you want to say hey to the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, say hey. Say hey to the camera. Wait, let me find you. Where are you? Come over here so the camera can see you. Come over. Well, here.
Huh? What was that, Grandma?
Say hey, everybody.
Hey, I can see.
He's talking to tonight, y'all. He is loaded tonight. I don't know what in the world he got going on, but he's got it going on tonight. He's all over the place.
Grandma.
Yes.
I can't see with the people.
You want to see what the people? Well, you have to say the people are. You can't see the people, but you have to say hey to the people. Say hello, people. Look up here and say hello, people.
Hello, people.
See, he's.
I just was a nurse.
Yeah.
I want the heavy. I did not heavy.
Okay.
But I want to talk to you with the quiet, and I want to talk to you with it.
He's got the sillies tonight. He just got through eating his nuggets and ice cream and stuff. Yeah. Go over there on your mat and finish your ice cream. And not your ice cream, but your fries. Are you done with your fries? See, you just have to humor them.
Is the ice cream all gone?
Your ice cream's all gone. Drink your chocolate milk and right, y'all. So we're gonna get back to this catfish, y'all. I promise y'all, I'm gonna get it done here tonight. With all this energy, this bundle of energy tonight. Now, Kylie's gone with her mom tonight, so we don't have little Kylie food tonight. But we're gonna get this fish done. The kids are coming over. And we're just going to do our little Friday night fish fry. We've been out all evening, so we're getting a late start, but we're going to get it done nonetheless because we got to eat something. So I thought, why not? I was going to almost wait until Sunday, but since I had promised this meal, we'll get it done, and tomorrow, yours truly will rest. And I think what I'm going to do with these, since these are so big, I see stir my potatoes a little bit. But since these are so big, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season them up. I'm gonna season them with lemon pepper, some complete seasoning, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of salt and pepper. And of course, you know, I gotta bread them with my. I'll show you my bread. I bought this huge packet. Oh, I didn't take that one out of the package yet, did I? But anyway, these are nice cats and tilapia. Some people don't eat tilapia. I forget what it was about tilapia, but yes, darling. Don't push on the window, darling. Thank you, Sugar. Don't push on the screen, baby. Don't push on Grandma's screen. You'll make it fall out. So anyway, yeah, thank you. Can you let that down for me? Let it all the way down. Pull it down like a big boy. Pull it hard. I want to let my window down. I'm trying to let some of that fish smell get out of here. Okay, I'll get it in a sec. But anyway, I'm going to do this fish with some lemon pepper seasoning, some complete seasoning, and a little salt and pepper. And then I'm going to batter it with my, I have to show you this big thing of batter I bought. I went out to Sam's Club, and of course, you know, they buy everything big and in bulk. Okay, I'm coming. Give me a sec. Let me finish this. This is Zatarain's fish fry, and it is a 5-pound jar for like $5, so not bad at all. So that's what I'm going to use to batter it with. Okay.
The rabbit at your house.
No, the rabbit's not coming in the house. When we came in this evening, my little brown rabbit that lives here mostly met us at the front yard, so he wants to see it again.
Come on.
Okay, we're going to see him. Grandma got to cook right now, okay, darling?
Okay.
So you have to be patient with children,
I
honey.
don't want to feed my no rabbit.
You don't?
I want to come with your house.
You gonna do it? Okay. So anyhow, back to the fish. We're gonna get this fish in the frying pan just before I drop the tortilla in the pan and get it going. So hold on and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I got my potatoes and eggs mixed in here. This is 2.5 pounds of potatoes fried in that olive oil, and then I got 8 eggs in it. And I got my grease good and hot. I'm getting ready to drop it in there. We're gonna have some nice tortilla. Okay, now we are ready to put the tortilla into the pan here. I got some little crispies in there. Okay. Got oil going on the pan. And all you gotta do is just pour it right in. Okay, it's in the pan. It's gonna have to cook on each side for a good 15 minutes, and it'll be nice and solid, and we can slice it up and eat it. Be right back. Okay, y'all, everything is frying nicely. That's that catfish. I cut them in half because they were so huge. Got a few out over there. They are delish. And we're gonna just continue on. It's gonna take a little while for us to get these fried up, but we're almost there. And that tortilla sort of covered it. So it'll start cooking up and I'll be ready to flip it. Y'all pray with me when I get ready to flip it. So, we got this meal going, y'all. It's going to be late, but it's going to be good. Okay, y'all, I'm about ready to flip this tortilla. Now, this is huge. This is like 18 inches round. So, be very careful. Telling you, you have to be careful. This is another one of those dishes to prepare that not for the faint of heart. I'm going to flip it in this lid, and then I'm going to ease it back into the pan. So here we go, y'all. Yeah. No, this ain't bigger than a plate. I got it. Back off. I got it. Okay, y'all. Now we just gotta use a spatula. There we go. And then just turn the heat all the way back down and it'll cook right into itself.
It's funny that you make one of those, Mom, because it's funny that you make one of those, because we were just watching that on the TV, and I was just watching the man make one of those. Spanish Tortilla.
Right.
And I saw that.
Yeah, I figured this with fish will go good with that fish. Okay, there it is, y'all. We'll be right back. Okay, here we go, y'all. We are about done. The tortilla is ready. We got a pan of fish over there that's ready. We got that fish still in there. Gonna get some coleslaw going, and we're gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy this Friday night fish fry, y'all. So hang in there with us. We almost ready. Okay, we're gonna get this coleslaw going. I got 3 cups of shredded cabbage, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, teaspoon of complete seasoning. I'm going to do a squirt, which is going to be probably about a good tablespoon of pickle relish. And we're going to do just about a fourth of a cup, about a half a cup of mayonnaise, Hellman's mayonnaise. And y'all know I got to get my sugar going on there, so I'm going to get me about a half a cup of brown sugar going there. So hold on. Okay, we're about done with this deal. Just gonna stir it up real good, and we got us some good old quick coleslaw to go with that good old fish and that tortilla. So hold on, we almost done. Okay, y'all, there it is, Friday night fish fry. We got that tortilla looking pretty laying over there. In the middle, we got some catfish and some tilapia all fried up nice and golden brown. And on the back there, we got a little coleslaw and some salsa to eat with that tortilla. Of course, we got our hot sauce, ketchup, and mustard. We're ready to do it in a few minutes, y'all. We're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy this meal. So this is Friday night fish fry, y'all. Come on in. Listen, y'all, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. Thank y'all for tuning in, and until I cook again on Sunday, I don't think I'm doing nothing tomorrow. I think I'm going to rest tomorrow. But come on in for Sunday dinner on Sunday, and we'll see what we can get going for you. Pray for one another, fix you some good food to eat, and just keep on doing what you're doing. Stay prayerful, pray without ceasing. Love you guys. Thank you all for supporting me. So until I cook again, toodaloo. Nerf, you want to say bye before we go? Want to say bye? Okay, say bye.
Bye.
That's Tony and Lisa. They're looking at this crazy Wayans movie over here. So we doing our Friday night movie and fish fry, y'all. So love you guys. Take care now.